What's up, beer geeks? Chris Cohen, the beer scholar here. We're at my bar in San Francisco, Old Devil Moon, and I'm going to show you how to pour draft beer. So, first thing you're going to do is rinse the glass with the glass rinser, which cools the glass down, rinses out any remaining debris or sanitizer in it, and lubricates the glass for the pour. Then you're going to hold the glass 1 inch below the faucet, grab the handle, open it fully, pour down the side of the glass till it's about halfway full, then turn it up to finish the pour so that you end up with that 1 inch of nice head. So here's how it works. Boom. It's that simple. That's a pretty good looking pour, huh? Alright, now you know how to do it for the certified beer server exam. Real simple. Cheers, y'all. Very nice.